हेलो दोस्तों, खुश आमदीद आप सभी का मेरी न्यू वीडियो में। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ बेल 47 के बारे में। लेकिन वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप तमाम व्यूवर्स से रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल पर नए आए हैं और अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको तमाम नई आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। बढ़ते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। The Bell 47 is a single rotor, single engine light helicopter manufactured by Bell Helicopter. It was based on the third Bell 30 prototype, which was the company's first helicopter designed by Arthur M. Young. The 47 became the first helicopter certified for civilian use on 8 March 1946. The first civilian delivery was made on 31st December 1946 to Helicopter Air Transport. More than 5,600 Bell 47s were produced, including those under license by Augusta in Italy, Kawasaki Heavy Industries in Japan, and Westland Aircraft in the United Kingdom. The Bell 47J Ranger is a modified version with a fully enclosed cabin and tail boom. Now I want to tell you about its design and development. Early models varied in appearance, with open cockpits or sheet metal cabins, fabric covered or open structures, some with four-wheel landing gear. Later Model D and Korean War H13D and E-types settled on a more utilitarian style. The most common model, the 47G, introduced in 1953, can be recognized by the full soap bubble canopy, exposed welded tube tail boom, saddle fuel tanks, and skid landing gear. The later three-seat 47H had an enclosed cabin with full cowling and monocoque tail boom. It was an attempt to market a luxury version of the basic 47G. Relatively few were produced. Engines were Franklin or Lycoming vertically mounted piston engines of 178 to 305 horsepower. Seating varied from 2 to 4. In April 2011, there were 1068 registered with the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States and 15 in the United Kingdom. Bell 47s were produced in Japan by a Bell and Kawasaki venture. This led to the Kawasaki KH4 variant, a four-seat version of the Model 47 with a cabin similar to the Bell 47J. It differed from the J in having a standard uncovered tail boom and fuel tanks like the G series. It was sold throughout Asia and some were used in Australia. In February 2010, the Bell 47 type certificates were transferred to Scott's Helicopter Services, the sister company that was formed. Scott's Bell 47 is in the process of starting production of a turboshaft powered version of the Bell 47, the 47 GT6, using a Rolls-Royce RR300 engine and with composite rotor blades, with deliveries planned from 2016. Operational history. The Bell 47 entered US military service in late 1946 and operated in a variety of versions and under different designations for 3 decades. It was designated H-13 Sioux by the US Army, and during the Korean War, it served a variety of roles including reconnaissance and scouting, search and rescue, and medevac. The helicopter was a Bell Model 47 rented by television station KTLA in Los Angeles, California. It was outfitted with a television camera and it made the world's first flight by a television news helicopter on July 3, 1958, with its inventor John D. Silva aboard. When the television station reported it was receiving no video, Silva exited the helicopter's cockpit to climb onto its landing skid while it hovered at 1500 feet so he could investigate the microwave transmitter bolted to its side, where he discovered a vacuum tube had failed due to vibration and hot weather. After Silva fixed the problem overnight, the helicopter made the world's first successful television news flight on July 4, 1958. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration had a number of Bell 47s during the Apollo program, used by astronauts as trainers for the lunar lander Apollo 17. Commander Eugen Cernan had a nearly disastrous crash into the Indian River in Florida in 1971. Before his flight to the moon, the 47 has also served as the helicopter of choice for basic helicopter flight instruction in many countries. Records: 13 May 1949, a Bell 47 set an altitude record of 18,550 feet. तो यहाँ पे दोस्तों मैं वीडियो को एंड कर रहा हूँ इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आपको वीडियो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी होगी। पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करें। मिलते हैं ऐसी किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें और मुझे दें इजाज़त। बाय बाय।